7 concerns and 7 solutions for cybersecurity with Hanwha Techwin. Can hackers gain access to my network by contaminating my video surveillance devices? Once hackers plant malicious code in firmware, sensitive information such as certificates, encryption keys, encryption processing, video information, and more could be leaked. Hanwha Techwin's WiseNet 7 chipsets contain Hanwha Techwin's own embedded security platform module, the Hanwha Trusted Platform Module. Critical information is saved in the secure storage of the chipset and processed through the secure operating system. Additionally, the Secure Boot feature verifies the firmware during each step of the device boot phase, blocking the execution of malicious firmware once infected. There is no reason to worry about information leakage as the WiseNet 7 SoC executes and saves sensitive information within the secure operating system and secure storage. Is there a possibility of data leakage during communication between interconnected video surveillance devices? To achieve safe communication between interconnected security devices, encryption must be used to protect communication, and all devices should be cross-verified and authenticated. Without mutual authentication, hackers can employ the man-in-the-middle attack to eavesdrop or tamper with the data during encrypted communication. Hanwha Techwin supports mutual authentication of interconnected devices to prevent data leakage during encrypted communication, securing sensitive information from breach or damage. In 2018, Hanwha Techwin introduced its own Root CA, inserting device authentication to each product in the manufacturing stage. Even if one camera is hacked due to security vulnerabilities, the entire system will still be protected, as the authentication is unique for each device. Data cannot be leaked between video surveillance devices using WiseNet 7 SoC because it employs mutual authentication between all connections, and because they are unique, this protects the system from large-scale or system-wide threats. Can a third party read or alter my video footage? Video footage captured by all cameras is encrypted during the entire process of data transfer, storage, and backup. Without encryption, personal video could be leaked or altered by others regardless of the user's intention. Hanwha Techwin supports data encryption during video transfer or data storage on the camera's SD memory cards, as well as zip encryption for data backups on PCs and other storage devices. Hanwha Techwin's WiseNet 7 can put your mind at ease as the entire process of data transfer, storage, and backup is encrypted, safeguarding personal video data from any attack. Can malicious software break into my security devices through firmware or open and run platform applications? Devices compromised by malicious software can give a hacker the ability to run system actions. This will be true for compromised open platform apps too. WiseNet 7 security verification checks for data integrity at boot up or after updates. An electronic signature is employed to secure open platform apps. Each app vendor is supplied with their own key to perform verification every time an app is installed. These measures can ensure the integrity of open platform apps and completely block malicious firmware or apps from operating. Malicious software will be rendered inoperable by the electronic signature, which prevents compromised firmware or apps from running. Can we trust products that are claimed to meet the manufacturer's own security standards? Customers cannot fully rely on products to be secure against cyber threats if the manufacturer only uses its own security testing or standards for cybersecurity. Hanwha Techwin is officially certified for its overall security processes, proven by the acquisition of the Cybersecurity Assurance Program from UL and secure by default certifications from globally recognized safety standards and certification organizations. By evaluating the objective level of product security and acquiring certifications from expert third parties, we build cybersecurity systems that customers can trust. Some video security manufacturers claim that they are secure by their own security standards and tests. Only by validation with industry-recognized cybersecurity authorities can we be assured that our products are secure. This is what WiseNet 7 has achieved. Do I have to configure the product on my own to make the product secure? Cybersecurity as a term is frightening to most individuals for being highly technical and requiring in-depth knowledge. If their additional efforts are required to secure a device, it will not be done or not be done well. Hanwha Techwin's WiseNet 7 products are designed to work straight out of the box without any user intervention and still be usable without creating obstacles to function. Hanwha Techwin also provides documentation in the form of the Network Hardening Guide for those who wish to take security configuration even further. Should you not have the time or the know-how to secure your devices, Hanwha Techwin has introduced the WiseNet 7 range of video security devices to offer robust security without user intervention right out of the box. What can you do in the case that you find a vulnerability in the product? If you spot a security vulnerability in any of our video surveillance devices, it is critical to analyze the cause and take countermeasures as quickly as possible. Hanwha Techwin operates the Cybersecurity Department S-Cert, who will, in the case of a security vulnerability, resolve the issue as soon as possible and post a security vulnerability report on our website. Regular security tests and penetration testing by specialized agencies are conducted to find security vulnerabilities and remove any risks of exposing customers' sensitive information. When you spot the security vulnerability, report it to Hanwha Techwin's Cybersecurity Department S-Cert. Hanwha Techwin's Cybersecurity Department S-Cert has established a process of building secure products from the product design stage and reacts promptly to security vulnerabilities. Build safe surveillance solutions with Hanwha Techwin.